welcome to Star Stop. Well, let's just put it this way. This one's going to get a lot of hits. A, because now she's socially accessible. It wasn't for a very, very long time. They're incredibly gorgeous, and we both agree with that. Katrina, thanks so much for joining us.
Lovely to be here.
And what a has do. I love it. Ranbir Kapoor. You know, the thing is, even she's now come onto social media. Why you just not doing
Salil, तू हमेशा पूछता है,
Yeah,
मेरा
but
जवाब
because
वही होता
there
है.
was one person left who could like sort of have saved you. Now
I
even
know.
she's there. She has a team now. You
I
know,
know,
she
I
has
know.
like 1 million photographs every day.
Actually,
I think it's just me and my sister Karina now.
no, but
No, but Karina's very visible.
that's
workout
because
every
of her
day is
team. Her
documented.
team is there, yeah.
Yeah, so why?
But I don't have a team, so I have to cut you in there.
Is you?
I don't have a team. I take every picture, or then sometimes the people.
Sometimes I do.
Okay, yes,
Okay.
yeah. Sometimes the people who I'm with, like if
Yeah.
it's you or
Yeah.
him or somebody, will take it. But I don't have a team who does it. Huh? I do it myself.
Very good, Katrina. Gold star.
So now you have to
It's
tell me
very
why you will not
important.
make your life accessible. They want to know.
See,
Ranbir
Salil,
Kapoor का क्या problem है?
To be honestly, the honest truth is that I don't think I will be fun on social media. And if you think I don't have the confidence, I don't have the personality to like be out there and tell people where I am, how I'm looking, what I'm doing, and stuff like that. Sorry, I didn't touch you, did I?
You were pulling my hair, but you know that slow pull when someone puts your hand. That's how it's going like.
Like a 16-year-old couple, they're going to be like this anyway. We continue with that. So basically,
Yeah,
you
let's
don't
go
want
back to our
somebody to take
story.
pictures of you and put out there. So you never.
I
put
don't want
out
to take
there.
pictures of myself and put it out there. I'm a little shy and I'm happy. अभी तक तो गाड़ी ठीक जा रही है, काम मिल रहा है, people are liking my work. So ऐसे नहीं कि because of for my career I should be on social media.
No, you
I
don't
think
need that.
social media is a lifestyle. If you want to like be out there on a different platform, now I don't want to like start glamorizing myself on another platform. I'm happy with films and I'm going to stick to that.
Basically, what he's trying to say is that
Private life.
we need it for our careers, but he's doing okay. So
Listen, I'm really happy to see some very.
I
good
did
pictures
not
on there.
say that, Katrina.
The two of them are fantastic, and I have to say this. So I was dreading, because I'd heard so much about the film being delayed forever, billions of dollars being put into the film, and traveling the world over.
It's all true.
And then I saw Ulta Pulta, and I flipped out. It was just another level in a nice way.
ulta pulta.
Ullu ka patta.
Ullu ka Patta.
Acha.
Did I say Ulta Pulta?
Yes.
Ullu ka Patta, which is a thing unbelievable, yeah. So I have to say, the first thing was this sense of relief, because I really want every one of your films to do so well, I even
And once again, yeah, just say, look here and
you
say
don't
that.
wanna stick with 200
Look here and say that.
No, but for him, because I'm saying he's had the raw end of the deal for the last 2 or 3 years.
No, Babu, you've got it wrong.
No, even you
I've
got it.
I've had it hard, and he's had a hit with Adil, so he's
No, but he made me cry
He's
in
on
Adil,
the
yeah.
bounce back.
Yeah.
I'm still down from the slap. I'm still down at the slap. So
We're
I
going to
need
be nice about that. No, the thing is, it's true. So this zone were you happy also with the response? Because
Salil, to be honest, it just takes me back to 3.5 years when Dada came to me after Barfi and we were deciding what film to do. There was Kishore Kumar biopic and a couple of other ideas. And then he said, Yaar, in our country, we don't make films for families and kids. If the family wants to take their young children or young kids, to the cinema, they go for a Disney film. They go for an animation film, Jungle Book, Beauty and the Beast. Where are our films? So let's make something which an entire spectrum of audience can see. Let's make a musical. Let's make, that Disney prototype film where there is no sex, no violence, no blood. It's about family values. It's about relationships. It's about teaching some good moral values to to people. Of course, done in a very entertaining way.
It reminds me of Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. The first time I saw it,
Yeah, the look
'cause
was
I was a
inspired
Jim
from it.
Carrey fan. I'm going, wow, because I see zebras and I see everything everywhere. You jumping into the film? There's a lot of work for both of you to do. Lots of traveling everywhere.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it?
I mean, I think we've all been on the film now for it's been,
Forever.
almost close to 3 years.
Yeah.
And we're all so attached to the world and it's become so much part of us that I think none of us can really separate ourselves from the film or from what has happened. It's been a really intense journey, but for a film like this, I think a journey like this was necessary. It was required. It's a very new film.
And
It's very different.
The chemistry in the dance is incredible. I saw the. Thanks to her Instagram, we get to see the making of it.
Thank
as
you,
well.
you're welcome. I'm taking the thank you and the you're welcome.
But it's true. It's fantastic, yes. Because it's not hardcore. It's just all over the place, and it's right and wrong. I like that. It's not like.
It's not Jamawa.
Yeah, you know what I mean? That's the right word for
And I
it.
think
But
that it's about these two kids. I mean, if I can use the word kids, they're just on this journey, this adventure to find my stepfather, and they're chased by people. They have no money. Their passport is lost, and they're in this this place called Mumbaka and finding, you know, a hotel called Aga Pastala, and they're going from one town to the other. They're like stealing ostrich eggs. They're dancing. They're collecting money.
Have you actually?
And they're both quirky people.
Yeah.
You know, they're both oddballs. So, you know, Dada was very clear. I don't want you guys to start breaking out into some filmy dance that comes from where I don't know. You need to stay in character. If you were in this character, how would you dance? It would be this unusual. And I think both Dada and Shamak Dawa did a fantastic job on coming up with those moves. I think they're really cute and
there's
quirky.
a lot of dance as well. There's about 25 plus songs in the film.
2021.
That's a lot of songs in there. So
See, the thing is, Salil, because it's a musical and because my character stammers,
Yeah.
so there was a simple logic with Dada Cried, which actually is based on Pritam. So Pritam, when he speaks, he
yes,
stammers,
yes.
but when he sings, he doesn't stammer because, you know, our brain is like a walnut. There's a left side and the right side. The left side is the more reasoning side, the logic, you know, has a lot of thought process. The right side is the creative side. So if you put like some music to it, or you know, if you have like any artistic ambition, you always operate from the right side. So he said, let's make a character who, at a dramatic situation, emotional situation, romantic
can I just
situation.
cut you off
No,
for a
don't cut me off. I know you're not liking me to say all these things and all, but I have to
I
say
just
it.
wanted to correct you.
Yeah.
It's not the right side. It's not the artistic side. It's not
Creative.
It's
that's what I always like. to
Creative
say. I
side.
can have a separate cut off from that.
Creative side, okay.
Yeah.
So whenever the boy gets stuck in a dramatic scene, emotional scene, or a romantic scene, if she's talking to him, he will sing it out.
Yeah.
Now, what the trick with this film is, because the dialogues and the progression of the film is happening through songs, when audience sees a song, they don't really follow lyrics. You know, they see they hear the melody and they like the visual. Here, it's very important to actually also hear the lyrics because that's the dialogue in the film, the singing.
You're expecting a lot as well. It's going to be a tough. It's
It
not
is.
that simple a film
It's not.
to
yeah,
crack.
Yeah, it's not. So that's why it took a while, you know, for Pritam and Dada to get the right zone. Because it has to be simple, it has to be melodious, it has to be like even a child can understand what we are trying to say. So
Tough
that was
film,
the tough
yeah,
part.
was it a tough film for you to be, like, you know, just be part of? Because knowing that, I wouldn't say you've had a checkered career in the last, say, 2-3 years. So, you know, so this
Checkered
one
is a nice name.
Yeah.
Checkered.
It's just about. So, do you get stressed now about box office predictions? Because
Yes, but
you're like India's darling, but they want you to become the box office darling as well.
But now it's in a balanced way, I can say. Fitur for me was
I liked it, by the way. Yeah. I was
Yeah.
into this music and anyway, so I have my own
Fitur for me was a
reasons.
shock, and Baar Baar Dekho was like a super shock. It was like an electric jolt. But I think
Songs were great.
Yeah, the song Kala Chashma was fun. But
Yeah.
I think what it did though is it gave me a little bit of a sense of balance that. Now I've kind of understood what this is like as well, because I really hadn't seen that for many years.
Did your phone stop ringing? I know a lot of people's phones stopped ringing. Yours didn't.
When? No, for a period it did.
Really?
Honestly, yeah, I think
I mean, come
think
on, you're
everyone
doing a
goes through
film
that
with
period.
Amir Khan, Salman Khan, and Shah Rukh Khan at this moment. What are you talking?
Now, but not then, and that period I remember was hard.
Actually, your phone also never stops ringing. No matter what the box office thing is,
Fortunately,
you
no.
Yeah,
walk away
he's-
unscathed, man.
Fortunately.
Yeah, so that's a great thing. Every time I look at the Forbes list, I'm like, oh, he's made so much money once again, man. You know, that's the beauty of it.
But you know what was really nice this year is I kind of realized, a few days back, I realized that actually I'm working with all the people who are kind of like my friends. And
Yeah.
that made me feel really nice at one point because, you know, that didn't affect them. The failures of these films didn't affect them. Like I'm back doing 2 films with Yash Raj and that made me feel nice.
You know, it's almost like, you know, a yes and a thank you that happens often when you do films, you know. And not everybody says, like, you know, just look at the box office numbers. You can't really equate a film. We've spoken about this a million times over. But also chemistry, very important. There's brilliant chemistry. I've always felt that he can have chemistry easily with a number of his co-stars. A lot of chemistry here as well, which came out through. So when you saw, like, bits and pieces of the film, when you're dubbing it or, you know, looking at it, are you happy?
Oof, that's a tricky question to ask an actor.
Why?
Being an actor yourself, when you see yourself on screen, you're a bit too judgmental and critical. You know, am I doing this right? Am I doing this wrong? You know, it's taken such a period of time. You're going back to that same zone. It's tricky, but yeah, please go ahead.
You? No?
No. I am. I'll tell you after. I'm very happy with the film. I'm really happy with the film.
So she gathers the thoughts and says, now let me blurt out the answer that I need to give to the
Gather's thoughts,
media.
masters courage.
What I mean is, you asked me about the chemistry.
Yes.
But I really don't. So I was actually just quickly rewinding in my mind, like the films I've seen. You said of Ranbir with the other actresses he's worked with. It somehow I've not noticed it like that, which I think is a good thing. Because honestly, this question to me doesn't make sense. The film works, the script works, the character works, or it doesn't. You don't. There's no film where you say what great chemistry in the film.
No, it can look very oddball. So I've said this publicly also that for me he's the finest actor of our generation, and I've had everybody say it on this side. There is nobody. So it's almost like I felt that he's been able to do so much. He's never walked away with getting his fingers burnt. And I always say this: no matter what you say, a lot of the producers used to tell me that you can be a good actor, but you cannot buy love of the audience, and
Yep.
you have the love of the audience. It doesn't matter what you do. I have never walked away with people saying, "Yaar, but itni cute hai, itni khoobsurat hai." They always say this. So this is, you're both blessed children by God, and not everybody has that advantage. So I'm going to hope that it's actually going to rub off on Jagga Jasoos. I want this film to really come out and slap everybody on the face that has been out there to bring it down. Because whenever I saw the first look, I said, dude, this is going to kill it. Every time I see the film, I say, wow. Why? Because the music is happy, the film looks happy, and they're both very happy after seeing various bits and pieces of the film, and that's the beauty of it.
Yeah, don't judge by right at this moment.
Why? No, yeah.
No, because we're both sitting like this.
So whenever I speak to Katrina, there's like another Katrina's going in your head and
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
like weighing everything, right?
It's like Inception. She has a thought and a thought and a thought and a thought.
Yeah, I know. So that's the beauty of it. So when you walk into this film and now, Jasoos. Now, did you ever do any Jasoos? Were you a detective kind of person when you were young? Always suspecting people in the family? Always suspecting others? Ranveer, this one's for you.
No, I was quite like, in my own world. I was very curious in that sense. I wanted to shave before everybody. So when I was in the 6th standard, I shaved when I didn't even have hair on my face. I wanted to...
It's holding up pretty well, man. It's
Yeah. And I wanted to have a sip of alcohol. I wanted to smoke a cigarette. I wanted to do everything very fast in my life. So I think that's the only thing which
Were you the suspicious kinds when you were young?
No.
Are you still the suspicious kinds?
No.
You're not at all suspicious?
No.
Really?
What's up with the stone, bro?
Yeah, I like
really.
that. But yeah, that's true. Let's talk about Anurag Basu.
Yes.
Anurag Basu he says he's a genius. I believe
he's a genius.
He is a genius, This is one thing that Ranveer shared with me, I'll share with you all. He said he wasn't sure how Barfi was shaping up until he actually saw the final film, and that's what the film was made in the edit. Complete trust, or how is he on set?
Yeah, complete trust. I think he doesn't allow a false moment. So the reason that I have so much trust in him is whatever he makes, however he makes, and although sometimes we're not completely aware of what's in his mind, I know that he will never
That happens
allow...
often, right? You're not aware of what he wants.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
but I know that he'll never allow a false moment. So if you have, and according to me, a film just has to be honest.
Yeah.
So somewhere you just believe in the process. He can tell if it's fake or if it's just...
Like I said, even the chemistry looks fantastically real. Was it a difficult film to shoot physically?
For me, it was. They were always pushing me off things and throwing me off things, and then Dada's yelling on the mic, "No, it's not looking funny." I'm like, yeah.
Her
Dada.
character is like a Calamity Jane. Like wherever she goes, disaster follows her. So she's the comic element. Whenever I see her, whenever I'm with her, she is always disaster prone. So she had to do a lot of action, a lot of falling, a lot of that Chaplin-esque physical acting.
Are you like that in real life?
Not at all. So Dada would put me on a windowsill and I'm supposed to fall out the window.
Right.
And he would just put me there and have me keep doing it because it's not looking funny. So I'm like, okay.
Do you let your co-actors be, or are you also...
Well, with her, I'm different. Because the first 2 films we did, she tortured me. Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani and Rajniti, she always used to threaten me. I have given 5 super hit films, you have given nothing. I was fresh out of Savaria.
Really?
So that scarred me. You become whatever you become is because of me, and I have taught you everything. I held your hand.
Whatever you become is because of me. Did you say that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you think I could ever say something
Katrina,
like that?
swear to God.
Do you think I
Swear
could
to
ever
God, you
say
haven't said
something
it? I think
like
you
that?
could.
Swear to God, you haven't said that.
I think
Let me put it this way. I have no such recollection of ever saying
Okay,
anything
fair
like
enough.
that.
it's a long career. Maybe you've
I
forgotten.
have no memory
It's
of...
been a number
I
of
have
years.
no memory of anything. But
So see, the thing when you work with Katrina is that she's not the type, who's like very method and I'm very serious and all. She will keep irritating you, nagging you. Then you also have to keep doing chabi to her. And so there's always this fun tension on set.
Right.
There's always, she likes to work under a happy atmosphere. She likes when there is, people are laughing, people are joyful.
So you want a couple of court jesters there as well, also doing their thing,
Yeah.
So you're Beja Fry. Have you seen the film? Yeah. So are you like that Rajat Kapoor who wants?
what do you
Yeah,
think?
yeah.
What do you think?
That's very mean. Is that why you have such large entourage?
Me?
Actually, we come back to the film right now. Jagga Jasoos. I love the name of the film as well. Why'd you call him Jughead in your picture today? Is
She's Jughead.
You're the Jughead.
No,
You eat a
nobody's
lot?
got this. I'm Jughead.
So how can he be? Then he's Jagga and
He's
you're Jughead.
Jagga and I'm Jughead.
So you eat a lot?
No, but Jughead is the cartoon character.
Yeah, I know, but
Jughead
he
is not
eats
a cartoon
lot.
character. He is a Archie.
Archie
Yeah,
comic
Archie
character.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what I want to know.
Comic character.
Yeah, but that's not a cartoon. Cartoon is what's on TV.
But one sec, so do you eat a lot of food?
Let's put it this way. I would if I could. If I had a choice, I would. I'd be eating everything all the time.
So in an Archie comic, are you a Veronica or are you a Betty?
I think she's a Veronica.
Why?
I'm just asking you, are you a Betty or a Veronica?
Betty's a plain Jane. Veronica
Yeah,
is
Veronica's
the
like
sultry.
the princess to the manor born.
I'll take your word for it.
So we've got a mixture of both. Difficult to shoot at all for you, in spite of all the various difficult films you've done in your life?
It was difficult because the time it's taken. See, the thing is, because I've worked with Basu before, so I trust his instinct. I know his process. He works under chaos. There's no assistant director. There's no screenplay.
Really?
There's no schedule. There's no production person.
One second, I gotta stop there. He says no screenplay.
Nothing.
Yeah?
It's
so
just
for
an
all the
idea.
critics that want to say
No,
screenplay was
Screenplay
flawed,
is there
there
in
was
his
no
head.
screenplay.
It's there in his
It's
head.
not on paper.
It's there in his head.
It's in his head.
It's not on paper. It's very much
The
there.
entire film is made on these L-shaped sets. What you've done 3 years before, you're doing close-ups 3 years later. And now that's how Barfi was made. So as an actor, it's...
Is that expecting too much out of the actors?
No, but he's doing your work. Because he's creating a performance. He's creating through camera, through music, through his own brain. So we just have to land up, be in a good mood and be present and, kind of just be honest to our work. But I think the performance and everything in the film is solely created by him. Do you agree?
I agree.
When people say that Katrina's performance is not up to mark, does that hurt you? Do you follow the critics at all?
Sometimes.
She doesn't. To be honest, I think
Sometimes.
Katrina's, let me answer this. I think the kind of love and respect she's got in the last 10 years, it's very rare. And it's been, my career span has been 10 years. And I've seen that, I've seen how people react to her. I've seen how the audience reacts to her. We've gone promotions, we've gone to different parts to shoot, not only in India, all over the world. And to have that kind of love and to have that craze is not easy. So yeah, of course, the
How does it not get to your head? I've always wondered, how is it, whenever people tell me, this heads are swollen, I said, well, you haven't seen 1.25% of their life at all. How does it not get to your head? How do you all stay grounded when that happens? You have the whole world screaming and shouting, saying, we love you, we love you, we love you. You might turn around and they might say something else about you, but how do you stay grounded with that?
Can't take it seriously, because it's there today, you're successful, tomorrow it can just go some other person will come and take your place. So you have to just be, the God is in the work, continue working, be honest to that. And this is relative, don't take success to your heart and failure to your head.
I think life also has a way of balancing everything out. If there's ever a time where you fly too high,
You've done the last couple of years too hard. No, you're still flying. Why?
Yeah. No, but if it's not, it could be something which is an important lesson for you to learn, which will just make you happier in the long run. It's not to say that every seeming dip is hard and it's terrible and oh my God, it's not that. Sometimes those are the parts where you actually find the most peace and you learn a lot about life.
Life changed quite a few things. Do you all read newspapers all the time? Do you all stay disconnected when required? I know you
I'm
can.
disconnected.
Yeah, I know you can. I don't know about you. Are you able to?
I'm not really into reading the newspapers, funny enough. I don't know, it's just a routine which I kind of stopped.
So what do you do for leisure on a set, apart from making other people dance for you?
So one thing, I can tell you what I don't do too much. I really try, and this is a conscious effort, I really try to stay off my phone. Because I think that the phone is like a vortex. It can just suck you in.
Yeah.
And you need to, and at least for me, maybe for other people they're more like, he's very, I think, spontaneous. But for me, I need to keep my mind focused on the set because I get ideas a little late in the day. As we've learned today in our interviews, my brain functions about 5 seconds slow. So all of
very
a sudden
cute.
I'll get an idea. But I need my mind to be here. If I'm focusing on my phone and then someone calls you for the shot,
So then it's 25 seconds.
yeah, then I might lose out.
He's a brilliant dancer. You've become a fantastic dancer as well. Say 3 nice
I
things
like
about Ranveer.
the way you have framed that sentence.
Because you are the most hardworking actress in the industry. No questions asked. He's got the most natural talent and
See, I
sometimes,
knew that was the underlying thing of, okay.
No,
It's not a competition.
I'm a
I'll take
fanboy
it.
for both of you all. I'm a fanboy for both of you all.
Okay.
So now we're going to go into 3 things. Say 3 nice things about Ranveer Kapoor. What do you like most about him?
Sense of humor,
1.
spontaneity, and charming.
Okay, that's not bad. I actually
bad.
thought it was easy. What about you?
3 things I like about Katrina. 1, her love and respect for her family.
Yeah.
Undying love and respect for her family. 2, her values. I think her value system is really, really, really strong. Actually, one of the strongest I've seen. And third would be that you can say anything to her. Like, you know, I don't think you should kind of censor anything. She's strong enough to take anything, you know, criticism.
Wow.
I don't think she can take compliments, but you can really badger her and she'll give it back to you.
That's very
But you
unlike
can-
any actress I know in the
Yeah,
Bollywood industry.
yeah.
Brilliant. I think that's the best compliment anyone could have received, considering that we are in this industry. Ranbir Kapoor's prized possession, yeah? Apart from his sneakers, I know he loves his sneakers. What do you think is, or what do you think has been his most prized possession in the last?
Messi autograph T-shirt or Messi picture, something to do with Messi.
Ah, that's well done. We didn't know that, so we learned something more. And hers?
Karina's prized possession, wow, I don't think she's into material things. But I think
No
it's-
car, no watch.
she had this one phone which she didn't change for like company band ho gayi thi.
Yeah,
But she was ordering
literally.
phone from China because she was so used to that phone. The digits had fallen inside.
Heartache.
But I think
Are you one of
that-
those ones?
Yeah, it was a heartbreaking day, man, when I had to let it go.
Are you stingy?
No, I just love the. You know, there's a very small group of people who are loyalists.
But it's bankrupt now. You can't
I
use it
know, it's
anymore.
gone. No, now it's gone. Now it's
Yeah,
gone.
yeah.
I let it go.
They can still
I had,
make you
I
brand
had,
ambassador and get it
I had a
back.
little ceremony for it. I put it to rest and all that. My heart hurt.
So what do you do with all this money that you make? If you don't like spending it on things, and you're not a material person, do you donate it? What do you do?
I mean, I definitely donate. I think every actor does. To be honest, I have to speak for everyone and say that there's no one I know who does not donate to charity and donate, you know, properly because.
No, I just
you
meant that as a
should.
joke. I was wondering what you do with all your money.
Oh,
Do you,
okay,
buy
no, I was
houses?
being a serious
Because, like, he
answer.
buys his cars and all that. Everyone can see that.
Yeah,
What do
he
you do with
buys
all your
cars.
money? Property.
Well, charity
If you
begins at
ask
home,
me-
and I think she supports her entire family, which is a large family. I think
You have an
that's-
open door policy. Can we all come into your house? And
You can.
just sit
Oh
on
yeah,
there?
anyone's welcome in my house for sure. It's not very big, so can't
She
fit
is
many
actually
of
that
you,
sweet,
but you
know,
can.
If you're thinking about it, she is that sweet. And he is actually that charming, let's put it that way. Thank you guys for joining me.
Thank you, buddy.
I say it
Pleasure's
every time,
always.
we don't meet often enough. And though I do see that you signed so many films, so we will meet quite often in the next
Hopefully.
few months. Before we go, I have to say that we're all looking forward to Sanjay Dutt biopic. You better make sure it does well, because the whole world is hoping that it does well.
I hope so.
It will. I'm sure it'll be an amazing film.
And we're looking at the entire audience is also looking to see you back with Salman. We're looking to see that. That is going to be a super hit as well. So
Hopefully.
you can see 300 and 500 crores being breached by both of them in the next 1 year.
Oh.
I'll see you soon. Take care.
Fingers
Bye-bye.
crossed.